me with the tea kettle.
What's going on?
We're doing a puppet show.
I am the king.
I'm the queen, and I'm the little pussycat.
But they were just, I swear, I saw them in there and they were just...
Just promise me when you go to college, it'll be someplace far, far away.
Trina, did you learn your lesson?
About telling lies.
Hey, girls, what was the name of that actress whose house you went to tonight?
Mona Patterson.
Why?
She's on the news, Channel 6.
But by the time firefighters arrived on the scene, Mrs. Patterson's house was already engulfed in flames and could not be saved.
A candle. No, we don't know for sure. Lots of things can start a fire.
The cause of the fire? This cinnamon bun-scented candle. Mrs. Patterson is now resting uncomfortably in St. Billy's Hospital. As for who left the burning candle at the door, police officials say the only clue comes from Mrs. Patterson herself, who, dazed and confused from smoke inhalation, was muttering something about a cat, apparently with red fur. Of course, we'll have much more on this story.
That's it. Bye, Brigham.
Lori?
Just remember me when I make it shine. Make it shine. When I make it shine. When I make it shine, shine, shine.
I had a burrito for breakfast. Was it the onions?